Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing this portable battery pack from EASYLONGER. A few months ago I did another review for one of the products from EASYLONGER. You can check it out on my channel. This model is the ES400 Air. And so we're going to go ahead and unbox it and go over some of the specs, share with you some of my first impressions. Before we go further though, I just wanted to mention that this portable battery pack is mainly designed to run Cpap machines off-grid in case of an emergency or going on vacation, traveling, various kinds of scenario where you can use this battery pack to help run your Cpap machine. I personally don't have or know of anyone that uses a Cpap machine, but it's still a very capable portable battery pack that can also be used for other things as well. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and unbox it and get right to it. All right. It comes in this beautiful case, very soft, and will definitely help protect it. It is not very large at all, but it does feel very durable. All right, we've got 3 out of 4 bars on the display. Just holding it in my hand, this is what it looks like. You get your DC 12 volt output port, and then you have your DC in out, USB-C, and USB-A out. So that's where those ports go. So if you just press the button, nothing happens. But if you press and hold, then it will show you the voltage, and you can cycle through to choose which voltage is going to work the best for you. 12, 16, 20, or 24 volts is the options that it gives you. So as far as the cables that come with it, we have quite an array. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cables. Let's not forget the instruction manual. So this is your AC charging cable that you can just plug into the wall, and then that goes right into the input section there. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C type plug. And then these remaining 4 cables all share the same plug that inserts into the input-output port, where you can also charge it via the wall. And then each one of them has different ends that you can utilize these cables with for other devices. Essentially, each one of these cables will connect to various different Cpap machines, which is the main purpose of this portable battery bank. That's very handy that EASYLONGER offers you these cables, so you should be able to connect to whichever Cpap machine or model you have. Very straightforward. Because I don't have a Cpap machine, I'll be utilizing it for the USB functions and the 12 volt output port. Going over some of the specs, so it's a 40,000 milliamp hour battery, which also means that it's a 40 amp hour battery or 148 watt hours. There's various specs for all the DC input and outputs. Essentially they're all right around 3 amps, between 2.5 to 3 or so. On here it says this is the model GP48 Air, and on the box it says it's the ES400 Air. And for a simple test to make sure it does indeed work, we'll go ahead and attempt to recharge my computer mouse and see if the light comes on. I'll go ahead and turn my computer mouse off. You can see there's no lights. And so if I plug it in here with the USB-C, this is also the cable that EASYLONGER provided. And we'll go ahead and plug it in, and we'll go ahead and plug it into the PowerBank. And immediately, both lights came on, the display for the PowerBank and the light on my computer mouse showing that it's charging. So we do know there is power coming from the USB-C. I wish I had a Cpap machine here with me to give that a try, but unfortunately I don't. I hope you enjoyed watching this video about the EASYLONGER ES400 Air. It's available for purchase on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in this product, so you can check it out on Amazon and see if it's something that you'd be interested in purchasing for yourself. Be sure to hit the like button and check out the link down below, and thanks for watching.